Welcome to the installation video for the scale holder. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a scale holder, adjustable mounting brackets, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, and an instruction sheet. Attach the adjustable mounting brackets to the back of the frame using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Ensure the ridges on the bracket fit inside the grooves of the wood frame. Extend the bracket holes beyond the edges of the scale holder and then secure in place. Position the wood frame against the inside of the door and mark the screw locations with your pencil. Use your bubble level to ensure the unit is level. It is recommended that you add a piece of tape to your 3/32 inch bit and use it as a guide to help prevent you from drilling all the way through the cabinet door. Pre-drill the 4 hole locations. Attach the rear bracket to the back of the cabinet using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Add scale by pulling back on the holder. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.